everyone, this is Ina with Innichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today on episode we are making chicken provencal. Look how beautiful those chicken breasts with skin. I love with skin, so much more flavor and it's so easy to make and it's delicious, elegant dinner. And for the ingredients we need just few ingredients to complement this chicken breast. So chicken breast, salt, pepper, and I use Celtic salt, a nice coarse. Garlic for the sauce and shallot for the sauce, rosemary, black pepper, butter, cold butter, chicken stock, homemade. I used, and I will link below how I made chicken stock. You can use any stock. And wine, white wine. I use Pinot Grigio. Let's do it. Make sure you wash chicken and then dry with paper towel. It's important. We don't want any moist. We want dry, so it will create nice and crispy. Next thing, what we need: salt, generous amount freshly ground black pepper. And remember, for full recipe, I always link in description below. And I also like to take one step, extra step to beat the chicken. I like when whole chicken breast has the same thickness, so we'll cook evenly. We want nice and even all surface. Medium heat. Make sure you use oven-proof pan because this dish, it's one pan, which is I like about. We'll have to continue cooking in oven after we saute chicken breast. So on medium heat, add generous amount of olive oil, about 3 tablespoons. And now chicken breast, I like to use all-purpose flour, just a little bit to cover chicken breast, but it's not necessary. If you want gluten-free, you can skip, or you can substitute with sweet rice flour. Either one will work. Oh, I love this sound. We're not looking to cook. All we want just nice, not ready yet, nice crisp service. So about 5 minutes or so per side. Look at this nice and brown color on skin. And now place in the oven for 375 degrees for about 10-12 minutes. While chicken in oven, we can do prep for our sauce. I like to use shallot. If you don't have shallot, you can use white part of green onions. I like to chop very fine. Garlic, same thing. I use 2 cloves. And the last is rosemary. I would like to chop as well. We'll put chicken breast to rest a little bit for a few minutes while we create a delicious sauce. Back to low medium heat, and to all those drippings and juices add shallot, pinch of salt, black pepper, and cook for 1 minute. And now time for next ingredient: garlic and rosemary, finely chopped. When onion and garlic looks all translucent, it's time to add wine, about 1/4 cup, and bring the heat up so the wine will be evaporate faster. Pinch of thyme, and now chicken stock, about 1/2 cup. And continue cooking on low medium heat. And the last ingredients, cold butter. So it becomes nice and thicker and all comes together nice and glossy, and that's where all flavors marry together. That's what butter does. Look how beautiful and glossy sauce ready. I love it. It smells so delicious. Generous. Oh yes. And a little bit of parsley to make pretty. Delicious. Rosemary, thyme, shallot. unbelievable, so delicious, and it's great as it is. I will link below the recipe with cauliflower mashed potato for people who cannot eat carbs, or really with any side dish. It's delicious. Thanks for watching this video, and give me a like and subscribe. Bye, see you next time.